that special music of Timi Dakolo, we just say make we use them dilute everything when they hot inside this our country. And if we not listen to the chorus, it talks say we are all we have. We will defend our land. We believe in Nigeria. If we talk that one for pidgin, that one means say no spirit go come from heaven, come help us for inside this our country. Now we as Nigerians go put our hand together to move this our country forward. And if we decide say we won't do it from today, that means our country go begin to move forward. Now still the October 1st special on top of Wazobia TV for Star Times channel 195. And this now the lighter part of As It Dey Hot. When I don't hear Oga Solomon James Moses when we been talk about leadership and he don't take in leave, we get another Ogbonge visitor entitled now one when we say if we make a drop out, he be media professional. That is, if you turn them upside down, now biro and paper, now he go fall down from him body because anything news, in antenna go just stand up, they gather everything. We get Oga Tajudeen Showole. Oga Tajudeen Showole, good morning and welcome to this our special October 1st As It Dey Hot package.
Good morning, Atrowe Saluto.
Welcome, Oga Tajudeen.
I like the way we just relax, just sit down.
We go talk say you come in at because looking you be like say you be one kind of gentleman because he just I even take response to that greeting. I greet you Nigerians. Show say yes you be calm man. He say you can't enter when our program the day hot. I wonder whether you will face stand up. But all they say you're welcome to us on this lighter note of As It Dey Hot. We celebrate the 55th anniversary of our country Nigeria.
You're welcome, man. Happy independent to all of now.
Thank you very much. We be not discuss about leadership. We call that one the political jollof. Now we don't enter salad. If the way when your voice take cold, everything cold like salad. But quickly we go speed them up. We want to discuss the economy and corruption. Everybody knows say economy like the spinal cord of every country because now there the money when the country they use they do everything they come from. And if we get economy when get K-leg, it go be like say the country no stand well because if economy they shake. Now there you go see people when they're desperate to survive, to do everything because they're going to suffer. And if we don't check out from 1960 till date, one of the things when we say they suck the blood of our economy, now corruption. In the sense, say, waiting everybody, waiting be the commonwealth of the people when we're supposed to put for maybe education, or health, or infrastructure, or power. Or, some people just they put out for their pockets. And it can't be like, say, our country, they go where the thing is supposed to go. But I go just want, based on, everything when you sabi, just give us summary of how you think, say, our country don't do as it take concern economy from 1960 reach today.
Well, the thing to say, if you want to talk about economy, about security, about anything for government, all they sit under leadership. So now, if you look at 1960 up to now, some of us, they never born us then. Some of us, we didn't born. We never even know, we don't know where they go on. So, but if you look at the stage, every period of government, I'm talking of where we have democracy now, government of the people by the people. If you look at every stage, maybe 1960 or 1979 up to now, if you study very well, you will see say the way the leaders they handle the economy was not too different from the way the people themselves they behave. So
if you mean the people, you are referring to the society.
The society generally, people when they do government over. So if you look at, I mean, it tells you say okay. Probably, the saying when you talk say, if people deserve the kind of that they get, now they happen. So today, everybody is thinking about money. So nobody won't make any sacrifice. Now money, we don't get now, we don't get. So if everybody they think about that, at the end of the day, corruption will come in. When corruption come in, economy go down. Because for Africa, international company don't talk say the thing where they disturb Africa pass now about this losing public treasury, this corruption.
But quick when we even come, you don't talk about, you don't bring the Oyibo saying say people they deserve the leader where they get because if they behave like no be what you saw to if they behave like Dodoyo, now Dodoyo leaders will get. But make I come why you waiting be that thing when they say you don't think say now the way when our leaders then take first do. Now you can't make the people can't give up, say, now God and now we dey like this, so we no fit do anything.
Because the talk say if fish go spoil, at least it go start from the.
It go start
from the
it go start from the head.
Now, okay, I agree with you, but the thing you should also ask yourself, you say, those things that we now put there, are they Americans? Are they Chinese? Are they so? Where they come from?
Now still.
So those leaders, they grow up from your street before they go school. From school, so now the thing where you now they behave from the street, now they cause, now they bring the leader. Say for example, you get your house, somebody want to park car. This person he never become councillor, never become governor. He park the car, he block your gate. You say, you just challenge him. Why you come? Say, they come just few minutes. Make
just 2 minutes.
Just that 2 minutes. You know, say that 2 minutes. You don't rob you of your
precious time
for that 2 minutes. So if that person become governor tomorrow, become council tomorrow, he go take your
say
money.
just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. He go take our money.
The money where then this I make them pay you. He go take. Let me just put it for
just 2 million.
Just put it for bank. I go return it. So now the people they produce bad leader. So if your economy is bad, check the people very well. How you now do say you now produce the bad person way head in our economy? So the people must check themselves. So that again, you want to find. Okay, now democracy now. Now the people elect the leaders where they want there. So make them check themselves. Because now elect the leaders, who is the leader we now elect? From your street, you grow up. Because you become a councillor. Maybe later you go become governor. You go become senate president. Yes. So it's the people.
So okay. now from us, now the thing they come from.
Until the people on the street start to behave very well, start to do the right thing. Maybe tomorrow, if you produce the leader will go.
But Ogata you talk say the people. So now the people they produce the kind of leaders where they get. So now from the orientation where they get from the people, now that same leader will carry enter government. But then we will also ask on this way, if we get strong institution, anti-corruption institution, if you say we don't do on ground, we they central, say okay, any leader anyway like if they corrupt from the place where they come from, once you don't enter this position,
go hard.
See the thing where they guide what they do. This anti-corruption law where they in place, now you will take the work. If we get strong anti-corruption law and anti-corruption institution in place, say these leaders who don't get bad orientation, who don't get one kind of dirty mindset,
they're no good change.
They're no good. That same law supposed at least make them say, hey, if I do this thing, if I make mistakes, I chop money. Hey, say this thing way, the way don't surround me now, say you go hook me. Say not to say now waiting for take place because the institution. Ask yourself about the institution. We get the appropriate institution. We suppose approve. Say yes. So this person they steal. This person they corrupt. For that reason, make this institution make them punish them.
Now, so you talk. They say make you build institutions and not strong people. Make you build the thing where go make people. Even though if you go there, if you get bad mind, you go and the people go shake you. But the question you want to ask, you say. The institution where they talk, they make a big good institution.
I mean, a formidable institution.
And now they talk, the institutions, it go drop from sky.
Now we ourselves go build that.
And I go bring Jesus, make come build the institution. And I go bring Muhammad, make come build the institution. And I go bring somebody from America. Not be from Nago build the institution. So if the people where want build the institution, then get conny mind, how then go build this one? So. One of the institutions we to talk about, whether you like it or not, now your National Assembly. It's part of the institution, Abi. Yes. It's just one of the section of the institution. The institution is the different arms of government.
Exactly. And apart from that, the anti-corruption institution as well.
Go and look at the laws. Whether it's the laws, the judicial process, go and look at it. You go see some something where there or some K-leg where they there. So how do you want to build the institution? Not the people now. So if the people don't get good mind, they cannot build good institutions. So the thing is say, now we don't get democracy now. Government for the people, by the people. So everybody must participate. Take for example, then say somebody steal money when they governor, then they try them. Some people go carry placard. They say, then go say, no, making a liver, now witch hunt, now ghost hunt. So you can see those people, if they go there tomorrow, now so then they do. So now the people wait even they build the institutions because the institutions somebody go beat them. So then they give themselves, then they protect themselves. Look at the National Assembly. And here says, I mean, then they pressurize the government, the presidency now, make it release money for constituency allowance and all those things. So now that place be the problem. These institutions, now people go beat down. You know, go draw from sky.
True.
So if you don't get strong people, you know, go beat strong institutions.
Oga Tajudeen, this thing when you don't talk now, don't show say, when we even talk about corruption, now mindset, not be even about until say person chop money. Because you give example of maybe person when they say, okay, they talk say, you do bad thing, make you go court, go answer your name. Other people come and say, no, make una leave am now witch hunt. So how we go take fit correct this? Because we no go carry cane, begin they go around, they flog everybody, say behave this way. Wetin be the things where you think say we as a people, I don't even talk about government now, we as a people go do so that we'll get society where we say every Nigerian go fit point say you thief this meat, return them and go suffer the punishment for this meat when you thief. How we go fit change that orientation?
Well, if you want to change the like this is something will spoil for long. You know, go just change them. So like I talked for beginning, everybody from your home, from your street, from your city, you begin to change it gradually, gradually. Maybe tomorrow you go see somebody we go get better mind. You go say, okay.
But you they talk tomorrow, and this tomorrow, you know, normally if they even they talk about politics, if we begin to talk of tomorrow now, it be like maybe now 2019. Make we talk of today.
Exactly.
This government when they now, when we say enter for May 29th, when we say Nigerians, if we check the way when the election take go, at least plenty Nigerians talk say we don't tire. We want this other particular arrangement. From the way when this government don't shake body, you think say this corruption when they talk about.
And Chukwudi, even apart from that, one of the major reasons we make Nigerians, these same Nigerians we don't talk, say they don't tire. Now because of all these same corruption issues, all these same guru they happen for government. Now me then look say no, enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Make we even talk to ourselves, bringing people who know say yes, we go do it, we go change these things.
So Oga Tajudeen will come through and give you now. This government of President Muhammadu, I go call the name, President Muhammadu Buhari. You think say this corruption, even if we could start from small, you think say we fit change the mindset of Nigerians and some bad people when they for government when we say that they chop money. Now you go answer the question.
No, the thing is say for Nigerians to stand up in 2015 say enough is enough.
Yes.
You want change, then change the government. It shows say people don't realize say we no go they do things.
The consciousness don't dey. It's no longer business as usual.
Not be before. Now, it's not enough to just say, okay, we don't vote the man in, we don't vote people and the people for change in. People themselves now must begin to monitor the man. Now, you see, no talk say, okay, you like the president or you like your governor, you vote and you do all the wahala. If they say the man talk something we no good. You go say, oh, make them leave them. Everybody, whether you vote the man, or you no vote him, you must be able to criticize the man very well. So that if you know say like this in where you talk, and a mistake, even the president himself must be able to come and say, okay, no, this thing, no, I'm mistake, not forgive me. So if everybody they on their toe, say that they monitor every step, everything, all this thing where you talk about bad economy, everything go. I mean, fall in line.
So we get hope. We get hope for this government.
Yes, hope day. It depends on how everybody, you and I, they monitor the government. And now,
but we don't see that sense of monitoring in the course of government, because let me also look at from this. We don't get some few governors who don't come out from leadership, and then you also realize say some people, some group of people from this state. Now then they send them. Now then they
sponsor.
No, not even sponsor. Now then they send report, give some of these anti-corruption groups say this person making a question about this particular money. We don't see the case of Niger. We don't see the case of Rivers State. We don't see the case of a few other states where we say people nobody saying that the government in place. Now people. Now then they make them question this past government. Where do you take this particular money do?
Very
and
true.
Apart from that, we even bring them down to waiting this ministerial list issue, because you go to say Nigerians at some point going by the fact say yes, say one ministerial go come out September. Okay, we can't date the month of September. It can't even reach on stage. Nigeria can't they ask questions. Where the ministerialists? We make them do it in release and she don't say yes. We don't they see that sense that cautiousness for the minds of Nigerians. But for us, how it is say we fit advance and beyond where the state will be now? Because if true, Nigerians don't they ask questions. Well, how is it say we fit advance and beyond this particular level?
No, now that Oga Patapata don't bring out the ministers list now. They wait for the people waiting for National Assembly, make them ratify, they approve the ministerial list. Again, we know these people where they appoint, where they want to appoint as minister. We know them individually. I mean, when you know them, you don't hear them. Not to say they're foreigners. So we know the background of 50 people. So it's for us now to begin to monitor everything what they do. Now, all of them now, whether you like it, in the last 3 months, they know say, oh boy, if you want to work with Oga Buhari, you know, go be like before. Everybody must sit tight.
Everybody must stand where.
But then, for you and I, you know, go just take it for granted. Everybody must start. You must begin to
monitor,
watch everybody. Everybody. So if everybody get yama for background before you become minister,
you go shout them out.
Let people shout, say, Oga. Then talk say before you become minister, now so things you do before me you come answer this thing. So that is the way you can monitor people. You can monitor our leaders. Yes, our leaders.
Oga Tajudeen, you don't talk finish for this matter. If you don't declare say for this country to move forward, all of us must turn vigilante. In the sense say, not be say we don't relax, they talk say we don't vote and we'll go sleep. We must participate.
Follow
we must chook hand inside the government to know say this thing won't belong to all of us. Now all of us get on, and all of us must put hand inside so that the thing no go spoil. We appreciate the fact say you take this opportunity, honor our invitation this October 1st to come join us. We know say it gets some other things when we say you need to still chook mouth on top based on say to analyze all these kind of important issues. We no go keep you here for a very long time. I go collect the handshake because I no collect on the first time. Thank you very much. Say
happy independence.
Happy
for
independence
us to collectively come together and follow up on our leaders, make sure say do that work. Look, we also collect this handshake from you.
Very
Thank
important.
you for also adding up.
Our people, we've been talking and say we get a different package. We do the political jollof. We don't do the political salad. I've been talking say we get juice when we go discuss, and we go also discuss the snack own. For the political juice, we go talk about insecurity for inside Obodo, Nigeria. Make we know as we go take do them. And finally, we'll come look the government of President Muhammadu Buhari, how we go take move forward. If we know, say, if we not check on our time, we go be like, say, 11 on the knack. But we go achieve all of these ones before we go. Now, still Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. And now still the special on October 1st, celebrating 55 years of Nigeria independence. Make una no go anywhere. Make una still the watch. We still there around. They just say masquerade, no, they come out for afternoon. But the one way go come out, and last thing go come out. We done this since 9 o'clock. And the two masquerade, even though no be say masquerade, say that if we look there and dress well, but no be normal masquerade, but the two masquerade when it comes to discussing anything politic, we don't join us inside house today for the October 1st special to chook mouth on very important issues as they concern Nigeria. They don't sit down and we no go waste time. We go just they move on straight. If you check my immediate left, you go see somebody when we say, like our uncle, in the always they come here anytime we call him Professor Nwokobia CC, DG Change Ambassadors. He don't carry the on top of the shoulder say if Nigeria no change, he no go agree. Professor, welcome to this special on top of As the Hot for October 1st.
Thank you, my brother. My people, well done. Oh.
And if you don't look prof, you go see the person when sit down next to them. He now somebody when we say anything politics, the economy, social, spiritual, everything when they talk about, he get plenty information on top of that. He no be only encyclopedia, he be Google and also dictionary of anything discussion. We get Oga Duke Opata.
I salute well.
Oga Duke, welcome to this our special today.
Thank you.
Make we no waste time, make we just continue our discussion. They go. We don't talk about leadership, we don't talk about the economy, and we don't talk about corruption. Now, make we talk about the major problem we face today. Corruption aside, the major problem we face today now as it concern insecurity. But it no still mean say we no go still celebrate at 55. And as we celebrate at 55 now, how you not take things say this particular insecurity when we face now at the moment, because we don't talk about 1960, but now we talk about now. How we not think say we go fit chart new course to continue to move forward. As it take concern insecurity, we don't pass, abi we still need to do some extra more to feel move forward.
I think say as where we there now, it shows say small government don't try to address the issues of insecurity. The reason when I talk like that, we say before now, this issue when we call Boko Haram, when they scatter everywhere, you know, today they go say that they fight them, tomorrow they go say they run come out, the next day they say they don't carry some women. Then the other one, they go talk, say they carry some girls from Chibok. Government go say they don't know where they. Government go say now their enemies.
Before government too.
Yes. Now, what thing they happen now? We say the new government don't try work with the other people when they're around, like Chad, Niger, Cameroon. So they don't set up better Ubunga soldiers when go to fight the problem. And then inside the country, they push away all the, now make the Boko Haram people come be the ones when they say, we want talk, we want discuss, we don't want fight again, you know. But what in the important is there's still a lot
to be done.
Government will still look at well. The part when they need to do well, now what in the Oyibo people they call information gathering, you know, then get to look, because you cannot defeat terror without looking inside well. Because the people when they throw this bomb, they not be spiritual. And I know say for everywhere when you they grow, the boy won't be bad boy for your neighbor. Somebody know him. The one when they train bad boys for your neighborhood, person know him. So if you take information gathering, you know, they go talk with people. You go know exactly where these people, they hide their gun, they hide their bomb, they hide the food. Because food when then they give 1,000, 2,000 people, not be small food.
At all.
Now big things, they carry those food. So if you they follow up this information gathering, it not go take. Person when not get food for belly, not go fit fight now, not go fit carry gun. You know, because now so then take Duam. When as we and I they talk now, you know they hear about Al-Qaeda now.
Not true.
Then cut off every source of supplies. Now make them go turn say na ISIS. And now so the world won't take Duam. So for inside Nigeria now, what you going to do now, use the information. They cut the access to supplies. Everything when they use cause the problem. If you cut access to supply, then we go fit contain and win the war.
Prof, you don't talk well, and if we check and well, you get the time when we say, if we sleep, we go close only one eye. The reason say Boko Haram. But now it come be like say Boko Haram then they try show themselves because people they forget say what's Boko Haram. It don't be like say they don't become distant memory. But you get one new trend, Fulani headsmen. Oga Duke, I go like make you talk that one. He be like say these Boko Haram people, they don't struggle, reach one second and say, we don't tire, make we convert to Fulani headsmen. So what's this new threat now? Now something when we supposed to take serious, abi na just say just they happen.
Well, the Fulani headsman problem, that one don't do there for a long time now. No be new problem. The only thing they say they move south slow. So now I don't enter Kwara State. Before now for places like Jos, Benue and so on, where they get that kind of problem. But now I don't move small. I don't know whether you could equate the Fulani headsmen with Boko Haram. I don't think that is a possibility in my own mind. It's a totally different problem. But nevertheless, the key thing is, as Prof. Don already talked, we don't see good good success from the army, from the government, because that is the reason. In fact, when you look at it the way they happen now with Boko Haram, they don't move small from occupying territory to now blowing up people through suicide bombers, and also, as we hear yesterday, even begin to poison water for communities. Now, for me, that itself, now, evidence of success by the government. Because the reason why they go underground, because they no fit fight on top of ground again, because we don't rout them from that place. So the government already don't begin to get results from that point of view. But that one, a territorial integrity result. The key problem now be, say, this insurgency, where they happen, when you close your eye, they sleep, somebody will come, just go, boah.
Very true.
And that one, as Prof again pointed out, that one, my intelligence go sort out. You cannot fight insurgency, suicide bombers with an army. You know what? Because you go see the person where they fight before you shoot them. I mean, don't be true. But what you need to do is to go and make sure that you can spot who has potential for doing this kind of thing.
So that you go check them first.
Absolutely, check them first. So it's intelligence again. And so, but with intelligence, it is not something that you shout about openly. So one has to assume, we assume, say, our government, they do something for that aspect of intelligence. So they slowly infiltrate people. So make we carry our own people go enter Boko Haram. So they carry 20 young men who we don't train, we say go join Boko Haram. Because when you go join them, then you go fit report back to us, tell us the thing what happen inside. That's the kind of thing where we need to be seeing now. And I have no doubt in my mind that the government is doing that.
Prof and Ogaduke, we when they end the talk, the thing make my heart sweet. Una know say now we be the youth. Not because they talk say una set, but we be the youth.
No,
now
we still be youth.
I don't say una be youth.
I'm used to. You know that idea around when independence happened. Idea around Prof me. I don't know when independence happened. I carry flags like this. They shout Uhuru, Uhuru.
Oh, for real?
You see they claim you.
Come fine like this.
Why not be youth? Buhari don't be president. He just get the job now for this age. I be youth well now, just like you.
All of us be youth.
All of us now youth.
All of us now youth.
All of us.
But we can't put them down now. We get government when we say, if we check from 1999, now one particular political party, PDP, 2015, they're very, very special because, make we no lie, if we read different literature coming into 2015, some people talk, say, this year go tough for Nigeria.
True.
But it can't be like, say, we as Nigerians collectively talk, say, all these people when they look or say, this year go tough, make we fold their hand. We do election. Even though some people, it be like, say, somehow, they slap them, they do this, but we do election. We can't see transition from one particular political party when we say, somehow, they be talk, say, we go rule this country for 100 years to or a different political party. So we don't get new order. And the way when I talk about the government of President Muhammadu Buhari, when I talk, I'm like, say, confidence day. I won't make we emphasize on that potential when this government and Nigeria get, so that everybody for Nigeria go believe, say, in the next 50 years, maybe when they celebrate 100 years, all of us go look back and say, yes, at 55, see where we reach. At 100, see where we don't day today.
Make I talk this thing. Everywhere when I talk about Nigeria, I get one quote when so many people, and my people when I go permit me use Oyibo quote that quote. Say, the God who leads the human pilgrimage that brought our boisterous planet out of primal vapor is still alive. He cares about Nigeria. As me and you they talk so, those when they go church, even if you go Hinduism, then go tell you, say, 5 na number of divine munificence, the number of grace. Now it can't be saying na 25. Nigeria can become now 555. Now it be say double grace.
You don't go spiritual at all.
So those when say everything when they this world na spiritual. Now you know how when you breathe, they take run everything when they your body.
Very true.
So as we dey now, it be like say God don't stand up for Nigeria. Say things must better. Now it make people, not be say our Oga President a young man now, but Nigerians believe him. True. 72 years old now, not be young man. But Nigerians say, now this man will go use, take start our waka to nationhood.
So that we the confidence there now.
So the youths now come gather because they tell everybody, say, this election when the change mantra win, now youths win them. And they tell Oga President, they send them message, they tell them, say, now youths put us where we there now. And we're not going to look away from them because what in them make them do that thing, they say they want work, they want jobs. They want empowerment. They want government to take care of them. And since we don't promise say we go do them, now what we must do, so where we there now, there's confidence in the country, and we appreciate that. But government go help make sure say that confidence will not disappoint them.
Very true. Ogadu, quick one. You been there, you wave flag, they shout uhuru, uhuru for independence. You even there till now. So you don't see the best of both events.
Absolutely.
Now, I go want to make, as the prophets now, may you just project, prophesy, so that this future, for we the youth, all of us, make they move, they go ahead.
Okay, the thing we say, the president already don't lay the agenda down. This morning, you got one thing where he talk for address to the nation, where impressed me well. He actually opened his mouth and congratulated Jonathan for handing power over. So, in other words, he don't already identify the point at which the departure from the past actually happened.
Very true.
Because that is the point of departure.
True.
Yeah. Before Jonathan opened his mouth, say, I don't concede defeat. Nobody in this country could have predicted it.
True.
Even I self, day for election house for this studio that day, they talk for 6 hours. The thing why they talk, they say, this now wahala because the PDP they lose this election. But they fear say they don't go fit go, and then all of a sudden the Oga come say I give up.
So they don't even go court.
Absolutely. So from that point of view, since Jonathan don't take the heart to say I am no longer ready to carry on business as usual, I don't lose election, make I come off the road.
True.
There is absolutely no reason why the man will take over, no go fit follow the same path, which is do the right thing. Because Jonathan did the right thing. So everything else he did wrong may, in the end, when the history don't come write them down, be nullified by the one act that he did, which is to say, I will give Nigeria a chance for the future. I had arguments with people. If you go, you know that. So if you go Facebook now, anywhere for internet, you go see me. Even they argue for this station on video. Say I know want Oga Buhari to be president, and I gave my own reasons. Nothing to do with his personality. Nothing to do with that. I just said to me, for me, there was something he didn't do. He didn't apologize for the coup. Therefore, I don't want him. I was talking about zero tolerance. But the thing is that I also say that if he does then come and win the election, we must fall behind him.
True.
Because that is the key thing, the key element. I want to argue with people like Chris, some of my friends who were Buharis at the time. The thing where they tell me, they say, it no matter whether Buhari fit do the job or not. The most important thing is that Naim be the only person who go fit start the change for this country. And when he don't start time, then we go fit bring other younger people to make it happen.
Very true.
Okay? But he has to give us the moral strength and courage to go forward. And that's the thing where I expect. It don't give us that moral courage.
Very true.
What I want to see now, unfortunately, one agenda is that in the list I saw of ministers, I didn't see anybody of Chris's age. And that is a worry for me. I would have liked to see younger people. No, I said the list I saw. We don't know for sure yet.
Ogadu and Professor Nwokobi Asisi, una don't try well. Like I talked before, when we carry Masquerade come out last, if we allow una dance too much, it will come be like say the king, una they take the attention come up from the king. So we go allow the Masquerade there, make them go inside back. Now still Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195, and this now special as it take concern October 1st. This celebration is special because Nigeria now 55, and as Prof don't talk 5 now grace, 5 now double grace. We as Nigerians believe say we go move this our country forward, and our country go reach the place where we say we go beat our chest. Say yes, the labors of our heroes past, the hard work of we when we dey now, the ginger of the youth, and the enjoyment when our children will enjoy. Now together we move our country forward. Prof, thank you for coming on top of this our special program. I go shake your hand though, make I collect the anointing. Ogaduk, I go shake your hand too, make I collect the anointing. Our people now, thank you very much.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.